pakaiwasan na ito. Bea.
Write in Sigma notation the number pattern 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Okay, so the next 5 and the different niya is 5. Summation 1 raised to 5 equals to 5n. So, ganito lang siya guys, mabilis lang. A sub 1 is equals to 5 plus 1 minus 1.
0.
5 times 0.
0.
5. Tapos, A sub 1 is equals to 5 plus 2 equals 1. 1. 5 times 1
5.
plus 5. 10. Tapos, ganun na yung mangyayari. A sub 3 equals to 5 plus 3 minus 1. 5 times 2.
11. That's 5.
Plus 5. 3. A sub 4 equals to 5 plus 4 minus 1. 3. 5 times 3. Plus 5. 20. A sub 5 equals to 5 plus 5 minus 1. 4. 5 times 4. 20. Plus 5. 25. Okay na guys. Ayun lang. Thank you.